Hello, we are Incredibles. How are you both?
Good.
Good.
Nice.
So, last day we did an exercise called speech. Uh, I want to know from you, did you find any few words which are common in three of the speeches? What
Yes,
are those words?
proud
Okay,
and
and
love.
okay, good. How about you, Nadim ji?
Yeah. Motivation
Mhm.
and help. You help people, and yeah, these kind of words.
Yeah. So, do you relate those words with your life?
Yes, absolutely.
Since you see that these words which you found common, how people see yourself, how the world see yourself,
Right.
you, right? So they are very common
Right.
in your personality, in your life.
Right.
In the same way, the another activity will help you to identify more such qualities of yours. That's why the activity name is called Discovering Baselines.
Right.
In this exercise, I will explain you. You will go through a set of baselines and select the one that they relate to you the most.
Hmm.
They will go on. You will go on shortlisting the one that are close to your heart, and they will end up with 6 core baselines. We will concentrate. A person can have even more baselines, but we are here concentrating only on top 6. Okay, so in this activity you have to we'll discover the baselines and which are most common baselines in our for us. Okay, so this step I will explain you this step by step instructions. In the step one, when I will share you the online tool in the coaching hub, you have to select the words as many as you can from the list of 365 words, and you have to select the word which relates to you the most at this moment, not what you want to be.
Right.
Okay, and then in the second step you have to out of those first selection sheet you have to select 25 baselines. This you have to do a little bit more cautiously, and in the third step you will select out of 24 only 6 baselines. And you don't have to worry, you have to just think about your condition. The system will help you in prioritizing the words or the baselines. They will give you the options for prioritizing the things. Okay, so I'm putting the tool in front of you. You just do it and we'll meet after finishing that activity. Okay, so I will do it in 10 minutes, I believe. So we'll meet you after 10 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So welcome back. You're done with your activities.
Yes.
Yeah.
Enjoy doing that.
Yeah.
How did you feel? Like it was easy or tough to do that?
Easy, not easy, but yes, little bit heaviness inside because you never know how this words, which words I choose, which was not choose. That is a difficult for me, and most difficult to 360 665 words, and I will found the meaning of this, and I found the dictionary, and then I will okay, this meaning of words is this meaning, and then which most related you, that pick your 24, then pick your 6. But I wanted choose more, but I have a limit limitation to you only stick for 6. So that is a difficult for me. Otherwise, it's good.
Yeah, yeah. How about you, Nadimji?
Yeah. Same. Like every word, it looks like it is nearer to me. So when I start cutting down, uh,
Yeah.
finally I reach to 6. So which is very very close to me. Otherwise, everything is looking like I'm also this, I'm also that, like this. So finally, when it comes to 6, then when we prioritize which is the first, which is the second. So then I came to know this is the first, this is the second, this is the third. So I
Correct,
really
correct.
enjoyed this process.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Yeah.
While doing, maybe it is little clumsy, but later on, when you find out your 6 baseline, you get to know that yes, it is quite resembling you.
Right.
Lot of things. And the most important thing is the same a word which is a common word, say suppose honesty. It can give you a different meaning to Nadeem ji, and it can give a different meaning to Hema ji.
Right.
In the same way, like if I take, for example, your please share your baseline, Hema ji, then I will share
Yeah,
the example.
my baseline is one is love, growth, imagination, motivation, integrity, and growth is also love.
Okay, very nice. Now, how about you, Nadeem ji? What are your baselines?
Yeah, my baselines are happiness,
Hmm?
discovery, love, abundance, flow, and flow means experience, and then contribution.
Very nice. So now you know, like for I can see love is very common baseline in both of your cases.
Right.
So, Himaji, for what do you mean by love in your language, as per your
In
understanding?
love is in my language is a whenever you feel doing to with the feeling with the emotion, that is a love for my side.
And how about you, Nadeem ji?
Yeah, love is about caring. Love is about friendship.
Yeah. So you see, it is common. Word is common, love.
Yeah.
But for Himaji, it has a different meaning. For you, Nadeem ji, it is a different meaning.
Yes.
That's why everybody's baseline is unique.
Right.
And our baselines that's why we say that our baselines influence our thoughts, and then it affects our feelings, and which also affects our actions, and which ultimately affects our results. That's why it's very important to understand our baselines. Since now we know our baselines, in further exercises, we will try to find out how they are affecting our life in different areas of our life, as we did it in Wheel of Life. So keep cheering up, keep practicing these baselines.
Yeah,
Every day you practice these baselines, you will get a different kind of energy, and it will really encourage you to do the things.
Sure.
So clap for yourself, keep cheering yourself, and we'll meet next time and
yeah.
we'll do the further exercises. See you.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.